Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to develop sockets for our electrical building design. Now usually when you have a building project, maybe something similar to this building plan, you would need to specify sockets. So you need to develop an object or a symbol for it. So one of the symbols are found very common in the electrical building design industry is the one I'm about to show in this tutorial. So to begin, I usually just click on your screen, then I type REC, hit my enter key, then click anywhere on my screen, then I type art, then I use 150, 150, 150. So I'm assuming your drawing is in mm, not in feet or in inches. So once you have that done, you have this. Now the next thing I do is I explode the rectangle. So to explode it, you just type X and hit enter. Then the next thing is I offset by half the length from here to here, which is 150. So if you use 200, if you had used 200, you offset by 100 so that you can get a perfect arc. So for me, I'm going to offset by 75 mm. So I will offset upwards, then I'll hit the escape key. Now the next thing I'll do is to draw my arc, enter, click on the edge of the rectangle, place it on the other edge. So you can zoom in, you can see we have a very good image being symbol being developed. So the next thing I do is to hit L enter, then draw an 100 mm line, hit enter once done. Then you need to look very well. Now these are the middle. I will offset by 12.5 mm, so I can have 25 mm thickness. So I will offset both right and left. So once done, I will notice that this line is not hitting the arc. So to do that, you just highlight the arc, then hit extend and just highlight your lines. So the next thing I do is to draw a line at the top here, then offset that new line by half the distance from here to here. So I go offset 12.5, offset upwards, hit your escape key, then go for your arc again, then delete these panels. Okay, so we have something that is looking really nice. So usually because when you look at your object, it should look really nice. So I have this feeling that these sides are a little bit long, so I'll just offset by maybe 50 mm. Let's see, offset inwards, then hit escape once done, then I'll trim and hit escape, then delete this. So let's look at it again. I think this looks way better. So you could actually stop with this image, maybe just highlight it, create a block, or you could make it a little bit more aesthetic. So I'll just copy this, CO, enter, then highlight all this. This is just to create something a little bit more aesthetic. Then I hit join, just to join all the lines. So once done, you can highlight the line, then offset by maybe 5 mm just to get a little thickness inwards. This I leave at your discretion. You can go 10 mm if you like. Then let me try and do likewise here again, inwards. So when you offset inwards, you can see, just to be very precise, you can see this line has exceeded this. Okay, So now you can go ahead, create a new layer, name it normal sockets or just simply sockets, any name you like. Then I prefer making use of something close to brown. You can feel free to use any color that you like. So I'll make it the default layer. Highlight this, place it on, go to home, place it on that layer. Just be careful. Go to sockets. Okay. So highlight this also, place it on your default layer, sockets. So next thing is I'm going to shade inside here. So I will hatch, go for solid color, then drop this and drop this. So that's it. This is how to create your normal sockets. Don't forget you should turn it to a block, so that if you want to make any changes, you can do it at once. So you can call it normal sockets or sockets, anything you like that you know you are going to be conversant with remembering. Then I'll give a second block. I can name it sockets if I want to. Then just drop anywhere here. So once this is done, feel free position your sockets. Rather, I would prefer to use copy. Don't let me use move. Position your sockets inside your building plan where you intend for the sockets to be located. So I'll just randomly position it. Okay, I can drop it here. So I'll just rotate, arrow, enter. Sorry, that was a mistake. Instead of RP, it's meant to be arrow, enter, then -90. So I'll position this here. Just anywhere really. So zoom out, you can see it's looking predominant on your XREF building plan, and it's easy for the installers or whomever is going to make use of this drawing to see your normal sockets points and also install accordingly. Thanks.